Techie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you something else I made with a digital collection from Cara Brandon. I am on her guest design team for her Halloween digitals, and I wanted to try to make something that wasn't really Halloween using her Halloween collection. So it's sort of like a traveler's notebook, journal, something like that. So I've got this great beetle journaling card on the front. I have some fun fur yarn, and then I layered it on something else. I actually inked that with a little bit of turquoise. I'm using the turquoise kit. She has orange, purple, and turquoise. I used the purple in this project that is also on my YouTube channel. Go check that out. So this one I wanted to use the teal. So let me take you inside. Oh, it measures, is it 5.5 by 4, and it's got a 1.5 inch spine, which is probably more than I needed it to be. So try to note that there is no Halloween, and I also tried to make it just with things from the collection. I didn't use like book pages or ephemera from Tim Holtz. I just used stuff from Cara Brandon. I want to show you how you can just take things from one collection and make it. Now, it's not as junk journal-y as some other people's projects might be, and I was playing around with resizing the pages and printing them out that way. This is the second time. The first time was that other book that I've made something with a digital collection, so I'm just trying to get a feel for it. So we'll take you inside. There was one of these pockets, and I just thought that would be nice to put on the front cover. Birds and bugs and another bird there. That was a great journaling card. I fussy cut out this little bug to put it on here. I guess if you don't like bugs, you would not like this. I personally think these bugs are beautiful, and I like birds, so I put that on there. So what it is there's 4 signatures, and each signature has a page that I made of cardstock with a pocket, and then it's got 4 pages using pattern paper, or not pattern paper, plain cardstock that was a teal color that I used to match the collection. I put it in and it was pretty plain, so I went and found, I just got a bunch of stamps that I had, just miscellaneous ones and stencils and that kind of thing. I wanted to make it a useful book that you could actually use it to uh, put notes in, write your grocery list or whatever. So anyhow, here's the first signature. This is roses with a bug. And then there's 2 pieces of paper, so that makes 4 pages, which is 8 front and back. I did take a scrap and make a little tuck spot there. And some I inked, some I didn't. And then here's the back of that, and then the back of this one signature. And then here we go again with the front page. The front page is a pocket, and I just took one of her tickets. And I put a link of a lot of the stuff in her shop. I had cut out a lot of it for the other project I made, so I still had some of the cut aparts. And then here's this, and of course there's no reason why you couldn't journal on here. This is using a stencil. I just inked. Here's more of that stencil. That is a Tim Holtz stencil, by the way. I just splattered. If I could figure out how to, I don't have any tea dye paper. That would be fabulous. I just don't have room in my RV to do that. I'm going to see if I can just find someone who wants to send me it. But I live and travel in my RV, and I'm not going to be in any location for the next 4 weeks that I can get mail. So I'll just have to make do. And then here we come. Now this and this was 1 page, but I love the bugs. So, yeah, so I added that. So this guy was that. And then here is the pocket with that. It's a little journaling card. And then here's the back. So again, bugs, but not Halloween. Just maybe a little creepy, maybe, if you consider bugs creepy. So here's that. And then the back of that signature. I fussy cut this one. It's just a beautiful moth. Cara did such a nice job with adding elements to this collection. So there's the pocket for the next signature. There's the inside, and then we have these pages, and then here's the back cover, and then this is the back inside cover. This is actually the same paper. I printed this out a little bigger, and that was smaller. And then there's the back cover, the spine, and then I wish I had some black elastic, but I didn't, so I just used what I had. I could have inked it, and I might still. I just really wanted to get it done so I could show you how to use these digitals. So again, this is using digital collection from Cara Brandon Creations. I will put the link in the description box, and I advise you go check it out. Really cool stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous